In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gradient backgrounds in Wix, an incredibly useful feature if you want to give your website a modern and visually appealing look. Gradients can add depth and interest to your design, making it more engaging for your visitors. Let's dive into the process step by step and transform your site's background with ease. First, to get started, head over to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens when customizing your website. Once you're in the editor, look for the background of your page. You'll want to click on this area to start the process of changing it. It might seem simple, but making sure you're selecting the right background element is key, because it can sometimes be a bit tricky with different elements overlapping. Once you've clicked on the background, a menu will appear. Look for the option that says Change Background. Clicking on this will open up a new set of options where you can really start to get creative. This is your opportunity to explore different styles that Wix offers, so feel free to take your time and explore. Next, you'll want to select the color option. This might seem a bit counterintuitive since we're aiming for a gradient, but this step is crucial because it gives you the control you need over how your gradient will look. Now here's the fun part. Click on Gradient. This is where you can start to really see the potential of your design ideas. Wix offers a variety of gradient options to choose from, so don't hesitate to experiment with different styles. You can see the preview changing in real time, which is a great way to see what looks best for your site. With the gradient type selected, it's time to decide on the colors you want to use. Gradients work best when combining colors that complement each other. Opt for colors that suit the overall theme of your website. Remember, a well-chosen gradient can enhance your site's message and aesthetic appeal significantly. Play around with different combinations until you find the perfect colors that embody the mood you're aiming for. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's vital to finalize your changes. Make sure everything aligns with your vision before clicking Save. This is a critical step. You wouldn't want to lose all your hard work by forgetting to save. Double check how your new background looks on different devices and adjust if necessary. And there you have it. You've successfully added a gradient background to your Wix website. This simple yet effective change can make a significant difference in how professional and inviting your site looks. Thanks for following along, and I can't wait to see the beautiful designs you create. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to elevate your website design skills.